Welcome to our channel. If you want to deposit checks via mobile app efficiently, follow these step-by-step instructions to avoid holds and access funds quickly. Step 1. Download your bank's official mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Ensure you're using the legitimate app to protect your account security. Step 2. Enable mobile deposit in your account settings if required. Some banks require activation of this feature before you can deposit checks through the app. Step 3. Endorse the check by signing the back exactly as your name appears on the account. Add "for mobile deposit only" with your account number for additional security. Step 4. Find a well-lit area with a solid, contrasting background. Good lighting and contrast ensure the app can clearly capture all check details. Step 5. Position your phone directly above the check parallel to it. Avoid shadows, glare, or angled shots that make the image difficult to read. Step 6. Capture clear images of both the front and back of the check. Ensure all corners are visible and all text is legible before submitting. Step 7. Verify the deposit amount and account before submitting. Double-check that you've entered the correct dollar amount to avoid processing delays. Step 8. Write "mobile deposited" on the check with the date and store it securely for 60 days. Don't destroy the check immediately in case of processing issues requiring the original. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.